This is Bill. He's been training with us for 8 weeks now. He was a complete beginner when he first started, and now in week 8 he's nearly a complete barber. What I've just shown him now is how to round and keep a perfect shape at the back of the head using segments. So all this cut is cut here round. So from the apex onwards, that's been cut around, and then from here we need to round this off here and make sure that's rounded again. To start cutting the back, what we're going to do, we're going to use this guide here to come down the head, to cut round again, but we're going to use segments going around the head until we get around to the left side. There's nothing wrong with doing it the other way, where you do your profile in the middle and do your right side and do your left one. Nothing wrong with that, but this is just a little bit quicker. So I'm going to come through. Cool, and then we're going to go back up to the top again. Cut this bit, don't let go, sweep it, cut round. And allow the hair to fall out. Don't go any further down if it falls out. Look, falls out there. See? Back up to the top again. The same distance here is the same here. I'm not putting my fingers in so it goes shorter there. I'm maintaining that round shape. So we've gone 1 segment, 2 segments, 3 segments, 4 segments. Now we're going to carry that all the way around. I've taught him how to do it, showed him step by step the instructions, let him do it, and he's doing it great now.